Welcome. In this video I will show you how to change the pen tip to cursor or to mouse pointer alignment on your Wacom One 14 tablet. First of all, connect your Wacom One 14 to the PC and then open the Wacom Center application, which is the official software by Wacom, which you can download on their website wacom.com/download if it doesn't get downloaded automatically on your computer when you first connect your tablet to it. After that, you have to go to the pen tab on the sidebar, go to advanced, and then expand pen tip to cursor alignment. And here you can either align your pen tip to cursor manually by moving this circle along this graph, or you can along the axis, or you can also adjust the horizontal and vertical offsets by providing the values into these fields. So this crosshair represents the pen tip and the blue dot represents the location of the cursor. Therefore, you have to align align your pen tip to your cursor by moving the blue dot. So that's basically it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.